Hi family, it's nice to see you again. We're here today for a short tutorial, a very short tutorial of the song BONOONI from brother Joe Mettle and featuring Luigi Maclean. Yes, and God bless you for this song. It's just amazing. I love it. There's some embellishment. I want to give you just a short tutorial with this embellishment. You can easily play it at home. Anyway, you'll enjoy it.
C'est quand nous aimons les uns les autres que nous verrons la gloire de Dieu.
This song is played in A sharp, okay? A sharp and African sound because you mainly use the major chord. And you can use the capo. The capo allows you to use open chords and to make it easier for some colors and some embellishment. And this is what I want to show you very shortly. You know, you could play this song even if you don't want to bother yourself. You want just to play it with open chords and open strings. You could put the capo in the 3rd fret. In this case, you will play like if you want G. And it would sound like so. BONOONI, BONOONI, BONO, no one else but you. BONOONI, BONOONI, BONO, no one else but you. So you know, just like a 1/6 for the term of degrees. 1, BONOONI. So E minor, in this case, just forget about the capo, just think like if you want the G, we're playing in G. So E minor, oh no, C major, no one else but you, and D major. This would be the 4 chords that you would use. And then sometime you can do some substitution like A minor and B minor. And anyway, so in this case you play it very basically and it sounds already good, but what interested me in this song is the embellishment that I want to show you right now. So before the main part, let's start with the introduction. Okay, start with the open A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you go like that. So let's play it slowly. I like to play both of the notes because there are actually 2 guitarists. One is playing like this and other one is playing the lower notes with harmony. Okay, it's kind of an harmony that they play both together. It just sounds amazing. But when you're by yourself, I'm used to play by myself, so I like to fill the blank, kind of fill the blanks. I play like. Okay, so I'll play both of the notes. I go with the D string and the G string. Okay, you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you use 3rd intervals. Okay, so you go, which is from, okay, you can say that it's from the D flat. Okay, okay, you go. So it's a kind of arm around but plus slide. You know, you go arm around plus slide. Okay, so it's actually the G minor. I'm hammering on the fretboard with both strings, okay? So you go. So let's go. Start with the open A. With my thumb, but this is an option, okay? You're not forced to play that. That's not an option. I just like to do that. That's me. Anyway, you go. And you go like this. 2, 2-handed. Okay, so you go with the G string from the 5th fret. So you go like 3 notes but 1 stroke, 1 downstroke for me. I'll play the downstroke and I go 1, slide up to the 7th fret and back to the 5th fret. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then stroke 3rd fret and 5th slide to the 7th, still on the G string. Okay, still on the G string. You go. Sorry. Okay, do again. Let's do it again. See that? All right. Okay. And then the interesting part is starting here. I am who I am because of you. So rather than playing this D sharp major, simple D sharp major, he plays some kind of D suspended 2, sus2, and 6 with the 6th note. And a 7th, yes, and 7th note in here. I don't know how to call this chord, but it's sus2, 6, and major 7. Right? That's music anyway. And then rather than playing, rather than going for the 5th, you just go only for this shape. Okay, and then back to the A. Go to the okay. Then you go. Okay, so you go. This time you play this D sharp, but you play this shape. I have a suspended 2 again. And you add some mama on inside. You go again for suspended. And another interesting part is here. So you go. down this chromatic. I hear it like this. I hear it like this. I don't know if it's exactly that, but if the guitarist is watching me, please feel free to correct if this is wrong, okay? But this is what I hear. It's going like, okay? So you go A sharp, A, G sharp, okay? And you go, this is A sharp, 7 and 13, okay? Okay, and you go again for D6, D6-9, yeah. And then you go for an inverted form of these D minor 7. This inversion of this chord, okay? Yes, and that's it. This video is over. This is all I wanted to show you because I love this part. I'm joking. To play finger picking. BONOONI, BONOONI, Bono, no one else but you. BONOONI, BONOONI, Bono, no one else but you. BONOONI, BONOONI. Then they have a break. Where would I be with you? And I mean, and from this place, better to remove the capo. Okay, let's do it again. So the transition, okay, let's go to the transition is where would I be with your love? You're the okay, so you go D minor, no sorry, C minor, D minor, D sharp major. again, same chord than before. Bono 1, this is the C, we up to the C, this kind of, we play in the key of C. So when you go up, so we go F, 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 G, G, G major again, and then you go to the C. Change the key inside of the song. So we change the key and we play in BONOONI, Bono, no one else but you. BONOONI, BONOONI, Bono, no one else but you. BONOONI, BONOONI, Bono, no one else but you. BONOONI, oh, oh, oh. Bono, no one else but you. And then you have another part which is, and this part is pretty special because I tend to play it in the Congolese way. And you know, everything is Congolization, Sebenization, Romanticization, okay? So don't attack me for that. It just in my blood. You understand that? So touch the moment to make it money, money. Cha-cha moko peni, money, money. So the original chord you can play. Cha-cha make it penny, money, money. A minor, F, G, and C. Cha cha moko peni F, G, A minor. Cha cha moko peni